Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Arabella lace frontal wig right here. The hair came in this cute packaging and it came with loads of amazing goodies. The hair actually came with a wig cap, it came with a baby hairbrush, it came with an hairband. It also comes with 2 eyelashes, and this is the cute purse that came with the packaging. Absolutely stunning. The hair also comes with this cute clip right there. It's so cute and very cheeky. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. Guys, look at the wave pattern. The wave pattern is absolutely stunning. I love it. Straight from the box, you can already tell that the quality of the hair is just amazing. I also love the fact that the hair comes with an elastic band in case you don't want to use any glue or gel. The construction of the cap is glueless, so you don't need to use any glue or gel to install your hair. As always, I always like to use glue to install my hair so that I'll be able to wear the hair for a while and give you guys more tea about the details of the hair and how well or how good the quality of the hair is. So yeah, I installed the hair with glue, but look at the wave pattern, guys. Look at that. The hair is really full. I love the hairline, and I love the fact that the lace was really soft as well, and the construction of the cap is glueless. So as I said, you can wear the hair without any glue or gel. So for the installation of the hair, I cut off the excess lace from my hair tab and then cut off the lace according to my hairline, and then that was it. I applied the glue on all areas where I actually wanted to place the lace, basically my hairline to be honest. So yeah, and then place the lace of the wig exactly where the glue ended, if that makes sense. So that's all I did. It's the installation was really quick and easy, but I actually go slowly just for you guys to see how I did that. I actually went for 2 layers of the glue. I used the dialect glue and then placed the lace of the hair exactly where the glue ended. So that was all I did so far for the installation of the hair. I did the same thing on the other side as well. I cut off the excess lace and then applied my glue there and then placed the hair lace on the glue as well. So very easy, very simple. You don't have to go through this step. I tied my scarf on the hair and then just to make sure the hair is well laid, and voila, the hair is popping. Look at that. What lace is? Just show me the lace. What lace? The lace, the hair is popping. Really love the fact that the lace of the hair melted into my skin. And this was just me just cutting off the lace and applying the glue, and voila, that was it. You didn't have to do much. And as you can tell, the hair is really full. You can go for any style of your choice. You can decide to go for half up, half down. You can do low ponytail. You can do any style of your choice, but I decided to throw in some curls into this hair just to be able to see how well the hair curls, and I am loving it. The hair actually took the curls really well. I went in for a coiler, but I decided to do a 1 curl for this hair, which I'm really loving. As you can tell, I wrapped the hair around the wand for like few seconds and then drop the hair and then bam, the color of the hair was just popping. Absolutely stunning. I really love this brand because the quality of their hair is amazing, and I love the fact that they have amazing offers on their website, and the brand also have loads of amazing hairstyles as well on their website. So if you need to definitely check out their websites. I can assure you, you will definitely find something from their website for you or your loved one. I love this hair. I love the quality of the hair, and I love the fact that the hairline was easy and the lace was easy to work with as well. And yeah, so far so good. I am loving it. I'm still wearing the hair so far, and I received a lot of compliment based on the fact that the hair looks so full and very voluminous. I love it, and I love the fact that the curls are still popping despite the fact that I've been wearing the hair for a while now, and that's the reason why I tend to use glue to install my hair. I like to wear them for a while and be able to give you guys a see if it's worth buying or not. But for me, in my opinion, this hair is definitely worth buying because the quality of the hair is really good. The hair is really soft and silky to touch, and I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the times I've been wearing this hair, I haven't experienced any shedding at all, and I love the fact that I can actually style the hair anyhow I like and pat the hair anyhow I like, which for me is just amazing. I love the fact that the hair is really full. From the top to the bottom of the hair, it's the same length all through, which is really amazing. So yeah, that's my thoughts about the hair, and feel free to check out my review. I would see you in my next one. What I'm basically doing is just curling the hair, and if you need any hair tutorial for curls and all of that, just feel free to let me know, and I'll definitely do one for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my review. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Arabella lace frontal wig right here. I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the volume of the hair, guys. The volume of the hair was breathtaking. With the wave pattern of the hair, I was just speechless. I really love how voluminous the hair is. Another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is just stunning, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I really didn't apply much on the hair, but the hair is giving me that my natural hair but longer kind of look. Very full, very bouncy, and very silky to touch. I love this hair. Look at that. I love the fact that the hair also took to curls really well. As you can tell, the hair is really bouncy, so soft and very silky. I love that about the hair. The quality of the hair is so good that I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding or tangling. The hair felt really soft and silky to touch. Look at that. As you can tell, you can even tell the quality of the hair from the from the camera. Like, it's so silky. Look at that. And very full to the brim. Look at that. The curls of the hair is just so amazing. Very silky, very bouncy, and I am loving it. Look at that. I love the quality of this hair. Another thing I like about this hair is the lace, guys. Like, seriously, show me the lace. Where is the lace, please show me. I really love the lace of this wig. It's so soft and very easy to work with. I love the fact that the lace melted into my skin. Look at that, guys. You can barely tell if that was actually my natural hair or if that was actually a lace wig, because the lace melted into my skin, and I am loving it right now. Like, this is my hair, guys. This is my hairline. I love the fact that the hairline is also very similar to my hairline, so there was no need for me to do any extra customization or anything like that. And if you guys don't know Arabella, they are a hair brand company that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have body wave type of wig, they have water wave, they have curly hair, they have all types of hair and style on their website. If you guys don't know Arabella are hair, and if you guys don't know Arabella, they are a hair brand company that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have body wave type of wig, they have water wave, they have curly hair, they have all types of hair and style on their website. And trust me, if you finish and trust me, if you visit their website you will definitely find something for you or your loved ones. And the most amazing part of it is the fact that they sell quality hair for affordable prices, which is just amazing. Like, they have loads of quality hair at affordable prices on their website, so that for me is just amazing about the brand. And another thing I like about the brand is their shipping, guys. Their shipping took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which is really good. So 4 days, so that's one of the amazing things I like about the brand. Their shipping was really quick, and they also included loads of amazing goodies in the packaging of the hair, and all these goodies are actually useful for you to style your hair or keep your hair, you know, looking amazing. So actually pat the hair anywhere you like. You can go for center part, you can go for half part, you can go for, you know, any part of your choice. And the most amazing thing about this hair is the fact that because it's a very high quality hair, you can actually dye it, bleach it, thong it, you know, do all sorts of style with this hair. And if you get tired of wearing curls, bear in mind that you can also straighten this hair as well. The quality of the hair is amazing. So would I really recommend this hair? I would definitely recommend Arabella hair, because in terms of the quality, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of the lace, it's definitely AA plus for me. In terms of how it is to style the hair, it's definitely A plus for me. And in terms of the volume of the hair, it's definitely A plus for me. In terms of how well the hair curls, it's definitely A plus for me. And in terms of the brand shipping, is definitely A plus for me. And another thing I like about this hair is the fact that the hair is actually true to length. I think they were a bit generous with the length of their hair, because the hair looks so much like 22 inches in my opinion, but it's actually 20 inches. So yeah, as I showed you guys earlier, the hair actually got to my back. I'll just get, so that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.